Olá, bom dia e bem-vindo ao nosso canal Quinta, Fonte, Pipa. Hello, good morning and welcome back to our channel Quinta, Fonte, Pipa. And today I'm hopefully going to be tackling the roses that are growing along the side of this wall and trellising them up so they create like a shaded effect like they have done here down the bottom. And I'm also going to trellis some of the vines that survived after the fire. So this morning the radiator for the truck was delivered, so I'm going to go and see what Dad is up to. So what's happening then, Dad?
Well, the radiator's finally turned up after 2 weeks of waiting, so we went to the cafe at 9 AM to go and pick it up, and we're starting on this and see if we can get the radiator back in. And I'm putting a new fuel filter in. All the other service bits I've had sitting in the house for 6 months, I'm going to fit them now, so seems like a good idea. And eventually, for any regular viewers, you might remember 6 months ago I put a new ignition barrel and everything in my truck, and then I went swimming with Luke and Jasper, and I lost my keys in the river. So, and being a busman's holiday, like I said in the last video, I haven't got around to doing it, so I made a different switch and we were starting the truck with a switch. So ha ha ha. Poor old Ollie's got to wait. Ollie's got to wait 4 weeks for his pulley for his Jeep.
From Japan?
Straight from Japan. So we need a vehicle working.
So Dad managed to get the truck fixed, so Dad and Ollie went to buy us a bale of straw, and me and Jana are going to unload that now. So this is what happens when you unload everything. Everything gets filled, and then your sock, I'm not sure if my foot's in shot, but everything gets covered. So as you saw, my mum has gone around and she has put out some fresh bedding for the goats.
We're about to have a barbecue and a couple of nice cold beers because we've been flat out on the trucks, and we could all do with a relaxing lunch, I think. So we're just going to cook some chicken. Right, 2 chickens. We're going to have these for lunch. One's got barbecue on and the other's got lemon juice and piri piri and a couple of other things on it. And I'm going to cook them like this, spatchcock style. Just flip them over. Just about to sit down and eat it. Large Portuguese new potatoes, Sandra's amazing coleslaw, and some lovely salad. Yum yum. Just going to chop the chicken up and we're going to get on and eat. So, bon appetit.
So now we've picked our lemons, we're going to go get a glass of lemonade.